go, dog. A dog. That's cool, dog. What? What? Oh, you stuck. All right, dog. Dog, I got your back, dog. Dog, hold on a second, dog. Yo, dog. It's a hyper dog. What up, dog? What? You got an owner? Where's your owner, dog? Oh man, you got. Where's your owner? What? You don't have an owner? Hi, I'm Connor O'Connors from the National Society of Taking Care of Dogs, and today I'm going to teach you the dog do's and the doo-doos that dogs make, so that you, the viewer, you, can learn how to take care of a dog using the 3 basic principles of taking care of a dog. Yeah! Number one on the list of do's and don'ts for dogs is feeding and watering. Because if you don't feed and water your dog, it's gonna die and get really gross and ugly. And nobody likes a gross and ugly dog. Because gross and ugly dogs, of course, are gross and ugly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Right way. H2O and bones! Wrong way. Peanuts and cola! Yeah! Number 2 on the list is hygiene. And dogs need hygiene or else they're gonna smell really gross. A lot of dogs smell really gross because they don't have good hygiene. So what you need to do is clean up that dog so he doesn't smell gross. Right way! Soap and shampoo! Wrong way! 409. Deep cleansing formula, dog. Alright! Okay, number 3 on the list is love. Because if you don't love your dog's not gonna love you. And you're gonna have a little mean dog running around your house. You don't like mean dogs because they're mean. They bite you, they crap on all your stuff, they piss all over everything. So what you need to do is you need to love your dog. Teach them. Love them! Because if you don't love your dog's gonna suck. Right way! Good boy, attaboy, attaboy, attaboy. Go get the ball, go get it. Yeah, come here, come here, come here. Wrong way. Oh. Okay, I see what's going on here. You are trying to get to my free stuff. Well, everybody loves free stuff, but sometimes you just don't get it. So what you need to do, you just need to call the number in the pamphlet. Where's my pamphlet? Cameraman, oh, thank you. Okay, this pamphlet right here tells you more info on how to take care of your dog. Because you wanted this. Inside this pamphlet, it says, call, okay? Call 1-800-478-4423. And if you call this, I'm going to give you a free pamphlet that has more information on how to take care of dogs. This is the fake one. Taking care of a dog using the 3 main points that I have learned over the past few years of training being a dogness dog doctor. What? Okay. Hey, I'm Connor O'Connors from the
Holy crap.
Taking care of dogs. And you probably don't know how to take care of a dog because you're a stupid idiot. What I'm going to do today is teach you the do's, the don'ts, and the doo-doos, and the don't-doos. Hi!
Go.
Hi, I'm Gosh. I'm Gosh, you know? I'm Gosh Gosherson. And if you didn't know, I'm a fish!